Let's say that we have a defect that is written by your hypothetical colleague. I want you to try to reproduce this error and think about what can you do to understand and localize the problem. And tell me, is this defect is written properly? Maybe the root cause of this problem is different.
So we have sections of airport lists. We need to have airport which empty files is displayed. Of course, we just create this.
Okay.
And we must delete this airport. So we just click delete. And now we should refresh the page. And now we can see internal server error. When we deleted airport ID, we still have, after deleted airport ID, the same URL address. Also, I'm noticing about error. We have 500 internal server error, but I guess here is should be a 400 for error not found, because this record which specific ID already does not exist. The developer must be provided the correct status error.
Okay, thank you very much. So who is guilty? Which part of the application?
It looks like problem with the URL. URL it is front-end side.
You're right. And how to fix it?
After delete some string, should be see strings that ended by airport.
There should be redirection to a new URL.
Yes, you're right. So to fix the defect after deletion in object, we should be redirected to the list of airports, yes? And the URL that we use should be airports list.